Hey guys, Jake Bright with A Plus for your Tuesday tips and tricks. Today we're going to go over eye sensors. If you come in here and you see, this is the amber sensor. That should always be on. What that is indicating is there's a full cycle up to the operator and everything's hooked up and there's a full cycle. If you notice this green one here, it's flashing. The operator will not come down because these are not aligned. There's an invisible eye that reads each other, and sometimes these get bumped. Shovels, snow blowers, lawnmowers, whatever. It's a really easy fix. What you want to do is loosen this wing nut here and then point it over to the other one there and see how you have an alignment. And I usually will lift it up a little bit till it starts blinking, then go down a little bit till it starts blinking, and then find the happy medium right in the middle, and then just turn this wing nut here, make sure it's tight. There you go, it's aligned. Now your operator will close. And if this gets bumped or out of whack, oh, safety feature, thinks something's in the way. See how it's not aligned anymore? Because something bumped it. So you can again find that happy medium. There. There, boom, tighten that up. Now your operator should close just like that.